Hey guys, we're live at 11:26 p.m. I got 22 spots here. Running the fifth copy for the AFA U85 Fett mailer. Top 3 win spots in the main. Last place also gets a spot. Gonna paste our 22 spot list here. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 9, so we're good to go. Good luck, guys. We're almost there. Steve in the top spot for round 1. Raymond 2. Gary 3. Matt 4. David 5. Raymond on top again for round 6. Eric 7. Danny on top in our next to last round, round 8, which brings us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Our winners are Gary, Danny, Gary, and Raymond there at the end gets 1. Congratulations, guys. Here's verification. ODC TUP. There's our winners. We are done at 11:28. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Thanks.